breakdown for all my cash envelopes that I will be stuffing. Most of these are sinking funds, and then some of them are the expense ones that I will use during the month of August. So let's get started. I've got 13 categories here, or well, the categories are actually 16, but I have 13 envelopes because, like, some of the envelopes have multiple categories going into them. For example, self-care, nails, brows, all goes into one. Okay, let's get started. So one for the courses, I'll do $20. Vacation, self-care, nails can be $35, brows can be $2, cleaning, I need, good, let's do 4 of these, and 2 of these. And as you can see, as I fill this out, I have a little check here. So this is just the sum of all the bills that are here. And then I'm just doing a quick check. It's just already set up. Doesn't take too long to set it up, just to make sure that I do in fact have the exact amount that's supposed to be in this category. Okay. Now this one is gonna get divvied up into, let's start with the 50s. So let's do 3 of those, 150. So we have 100 left. And then we can do 3 and 3 and 2. Okay. Next one is just gonna be a $20. Just a $10, $10, or yeah. This can be 1 of the 20, 1 and 1, 1 and 1, and 1, seasonal, taxes. Okay, so 710. Let's see. Yeah, all my checks are zeros, and now I have this denomination, so I just need to go to the bank and tell them I need 10 $5 bills, 11 $10 bills, 10 $20 bills, 5 $50 bills, and 1 $100 bill. And that will give me $710 total, which then I can stuff my cash envelopes with. Some of these categories, these 4 are the ones that I spend every month. Well, sometimes I don't, but you know, these aren't really sinking funds. They're just meant to be spent during the month, and then the rest of them are sinking funds, where a lot of them are annual, such as FabFitFun, taxes, moving, right? And then annual planner, and then the rest of them are when the time comes, like the courses, vacation, birthday, RMT, clothes, driving lessons, are the ones that as they come. Seasonal activities, yeah. So I sort of have them in 3 differentiating categories, right? These are when they come up, and try not to repeat. Ooh, I did not mean to highlight that at all. Okay, and then these are annual, right? These are my annual items that only once a year I sort of spend on them. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. I find this very helpful to do cash envelopes, because then I know exactly how many, like the quantity of each dollar value. So this is a Canadian edition. That is why I do not have a dollar bill, because we don't have dollar bills here. That's just the states. So if some of you are looking at this and thinking this looks funny, it's just because we in Canada don't have $1 bills. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.